Are you trying to feed yourself? Let go, sweetheart. Let go. No, keep your fingers out. Keep your fingers out of it, sweetheart. Now, let Nani feed you. Goodness, slow down. Slow down, my goodness, somebody's a hungry little girl. Slow it down, sweetie. I can't get it into your mouth fast enough. Scarlet, slow down, honey. Goodness, sweetheart. Can you hold still? Stay in one place, hold still. Come on. That is so delicious, isn't it? Yummy. Can you hold still so I can get it into your mouth? No, let me feed you. I know you want to shove it all in, don't you, you little piglet? You're just a little piglet. Little piglet. Yes, you are, my goodness. Scarlet. Scarlet. Over here, honey. Scarlet. No, over here. Pay attention. Scarlet. 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 Do you see yourself being recorded? Do you like yourself on video? Yes, you do, don't you? You like watching yourself. Yes. Honey, you have to let Nani help. I know you want to feed yourself, don't you? Sweetheart, pay attention. Scarlet Rain. Goodness, didn't your mommy feed you at all today? You're acting like you're starving to death. My goodness. It's almost all gone, honey. That's about all you have. Just a minute. I'm trying. You're so cute. Look, there's no more left. It's all gone. This is it, honey. This is the last bite. I know, I'm sorry. Okay, I know, I'm sorry. That's it. That's all I have. What is it? Are you mad that we're out of food? Oh, don't throw yourself back in the chair. Don't you throw it in. Don't you throw it in. All right, Nani will get you some milk, honey. All right.